In this video, I am going to show you how to convert cryptocurrency on KuCoin. 1. Start by visiting the KuCoin website. From the top menu, navigate to the Trade section, and then select the Convert tool from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the KuCoin Convert page, where you can initiate crypto swaps. Upon reaching the KuCoin Convert interface, you'll see the option to choose the cryptocurrencies you want to convert from and to. You can switch between your funding and trading accounts depending on where your funds are stored, offering you added flexibility and convenience. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to convert in the provided field. KuCoin Convert provides a live estimate of the cryptocurrency you receive. Review the order summary to ensure accuracy, and once satisfied, confirm your trade to initiate the conversion process. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.